Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Today we are going to learn a topic in the lesson, the universe and the earth. Today's topic is disasters. What is a disaster? A disaster is a serious disruption that occurs in the short term and the long term, causing extensive human, economic and environmental damage that exceeds the ability of affected community to use its own resources. That means the disasters causes damages to our lives and it is becoming a hazard to us. Based on these disasters are classified on the basis of speed and origin or cause. Based upon the speed, the disasters are classified into two types. They are slow onset disaster and rapid onset disasters. On the speed, what are that? On the speed basis, on the speed, we have two types. They are slow onset disasters and rapid onset disasters. That means in this slow onset, maybe we won't get immediate effect or damage by that. Like drought condition, degradation of environment, pest infection, all these are slow. To get effect of that, it will take time. We can't identify when it was happened also. That type of disasters comes under the category of slow onset. Whereas second one is rapid onset. Based upon the speed, rapid onset. That means rapid onset means the effect of that disaster. Maybe immediately we can't make a preparedness also for that disaster, like earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, cyclones. They will come at a time we don't know. They will come or not. They will come. We won't get a time to get prepared also. They are comes under rapid onset. On the basis of the origin or a cause, again two types of disasters are there. One is natural disaster and the second one is the human made disasters. Natural disaster and human made disasters. In that natural disaster, it is in the name itself natural. By nature only, from the nature only, these disasters affect on our life. We want in this natural disasters are caused by the nature. This gives loss of human lives, loss of properties, loss of environment also. It gives injuries and it affects on our health also. In this natural disaster, we have volcanoes, earthquakes, landslides, tsunamis and drought and floods. All these are done by itself in the nature. In that drought condition, for example, we will take drought. What is a drought? It is the condition it is a condition which is faced by the lack of rainfall. That means the less rainfall. Less rainfall leads to get a drought. That means a drought condition means we won't get water for irrigation. So how can we get food production? So it affects on the food production. Finally, we will suffer by that drought. And floods. Floods are caused by more rainfall, over rainfall, excessive rainfall. That is comes under rapid onset. That is also made by nature only. From the nature only it is coming. Then human made disasters. disasters. These disasters are caused by the human itself. The reason behind who are the responsible for these disasters are human only. Example, bomb attacks, bombings, terrorist attacks, accidents. All this comes under this human-made disasters. These are caused by human only. Okay, then how to prevent from this? What should be done? We have to get, it means prevention means what? By taking the steps, we can reduce the severity, loss severity. And how to get in this, what we have to take, we have to get the ways to reach a safe area at the time of disaster, and having is emergency kit, and also alerting others or neighbors towards these disasters we can do. And in this one more that is based upon these disasters, how to manage it, how to cope up this, how to cross these disasters will be discussed in a disaster management. In disaster management. Disaster management, it is a continuous and comprehensive program process for the implementation and for the prevention of the disasters. That means understanding or mitigating disaster severity and taking measures to get some secure during the disasters. All this comes under disaster management. All this comes under disaster management. In our India also we have one disaster management. In this disaster management, particularly it gives us a rehabilitation and some reforms to the affected people of these disasters. In our India, this disaster management is mentioned in the 10th 5-year plan. We have 5-year plans now, which was started in 1951. In that 5-year plan, every 5-year plan will focus on one topic to promote that section, that sector. In the 10th 5-year plan, the government stressed to give more importance to the disaster management. By that, the people will get awareness towards these disasters. In this, the teachers and the children, the teachers and the students are a part of a greater community. Children are the best carriers. So that's why in school curriculum also, this type of disaster management is given as one of the subject or one of the chapter to the children to give awareness and alertness to rescue ourselves or to rescue themselves in the disasters. That's why only in our school curriculum also we have one topic, that disaster and disaster management. Okay, children. In the next class we will meet with a new topic. Thank you, children.